All right. What's cooking? All right, check it out. I had 8 pieces of boneless, skinless chicken thighs. I took 4 of them. I cut them up in pieces, as you can see. Okay. Then I took out the wok. I sprayed it with the one and only. Get it? So I'm gonna start heating that up. Oh, I forgot something to get out. You can't have Asian food if you have a little spice on it. So these are the ingredients like y'all saw before. I forgot to put the garlic out. And I'm gonna start getting the chicken done. The noodles I do last, because that's the easiest and the fastest thing that gets done. But this takes a little while, so I'm gonna start with this now. Throw it in the wok, get it all settled, and then I'm gonna boil the noodles, and then I'm gonna add everything together. Once I do that, I'm gonna show you guys what it looked like. All right, peace.